Imagine being part of a community that is pushing the boundaries of medical research and care for children with rare genetic conditions. The DDC Clinic, a renowned center for special needs children, is doing just that. And they're inviting you to experience it firsthand at their annual Discovery Day open house on September 25th. But here's where it gets interesting. This clinic is not just making a difference in the lives of local families, but also contributing to the global understanding and treatment of rare genetic disorders. The event, scheduled to take place from 3 to 6 p.m. at their facility located at 14567 Madison Road, promises to be an eye-opening experience, with tours of the clinic's cutting-edge research laboratories, live demonstrations, and the opportunity to meet the dedicated team of physicians, researchers, and staff who are driving this groundbreaking work. And this is the part most people miss. The DDC Clinic's unique approach to combining patient care, research, and community engagement under one roof has earned them international recognition. As Medical Director Dr. Heng Wang so aptly puts it, rare genetic disorders don't just affect individual families. They challenge the medical system as a whole. Here in Middlefield, we are developing innovative approaches that are helping children across the country. The clinic's story is one of community roots and global reach, founded in 2002 by local families, physicians, and supporters who saw the need for specialized care close to home. Today, they are a beacon of hope for families not only in Northeast Ohio, but worldwide, particularly for those navigating the often long and uncertain journey to diagnosis. Executive Director Eli Miller emphasizes that Discovery Day is not just about showcasing their accomplishments, but also about expressing gratitude to the community for their unwavering support. DDC Clinic exists because of the generosity and vision of local families, donors, and volunteers, he says. Discovery Day is our way of showing how their support is making a lasting difference. The event will also feature presentations by Dr. Wang and Mr. Miller, highlighting the clinic's mission and its impact on a national scale. Attendees will have the chance to explore the clinic's heart center and learn about the advanced medical tools used in diagnosis and care. But what really sets the DDC Clinic apart is its commitment to sharing knowledge and advancing care. By collaborating with medical researchers nationwide, they are helping to pave the way for new treatments and a better understanding of rare genetic conditions. So, what can you expect from the Discovery Day open house? For starters, there will be refreshments, children's activities, and opportunities to support the clinic's mission. And, as a special thank you to the community, free parking is available on site. If you're interested in attending, be sure to RSVP by September 19th by calling 440-632-1668. You can also find more details at ddcclinic.org. But here's the question. What role do you think community-based clinics like the DDC Clinic should play in advancing medical research and care? Should they be prioritizing local needs or contributing to global efforts? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. As we look to the future of medical research and care, it's clear that clinics like the DDC Clinic are leading the way. By combining innovative approaches, community engagement, and a commitment to sharing knowledge, they are making a real difference in the lives of children and families affected by rare genetic conditions. So, join the conversation and let's explore the possibilities together.